Welcome to the Tech Pro Max channel. A little over a month ago, the Coca-Cola company announced the launch of a limited edition Starlight. According to the manufacturer, the taste of the drink captures notes reminiscent of contemplation of the stars by the fire, as well as cooling, causing a feeling of a cold journey into space. In fact, the taste is similar to raspberry. Some note the aftertaste of chocolate cracker. The series is experimental and limited to collect user feedback and adjust the taste. Coca-Cola BYTE is another experiment, this time with an eye on the metaverse. The company claims that this cola is pixel-flavored. To promote the new cola in Fortnite, created an island where players can taste the drink. At first, Coca-Cola BYTE will appear only in the game and later in the physical version. And that's all for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!